How to create verified TicketMaster account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So creating a verified TicketMaster account is essential for accessing exclusive pre-sale, managing your tickets, and ensuring a secure ticket buying experience. So here's a straightforward guide to help you set up and verify your account. For that, you want to go ahead and simply open the TicketMaster application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, go ahead and simply log in or sign in to your account. Once you are signed into your account using your name and selecting your country, you want to go ahead and simply tap on My Account. Just like so, tap on Sign In and then tap on Continue. And just like that, you want to go ahead and tap on Verify My Email. Once you tap onto it, a verification code will be sent to you on your email address. Go ahead and type in the code and then tap on Confirm Code. Once you have confirmed the code and verified your email, next up is your mobile number. You want to go ahead and tap on Add My Mobile and just like so, add your phone number in this box. Once you have added it, you want to go ahead and tick this box that says I consent to receive notification about upcoming events and special via the text messages. And then tap on Add Number. Once you tap onto it, a verification code will be sent to you on your phone number as well. You want to go ahead and type in the verification code on the next page, and just like so, with both your email and phone number verified, you can now purchase tickets including those requiring verified fan registration, manage your transfer and tickets securely, and receive important notification and update about your events. By following these steps, you'll then be able to have a fully verified TicketMaster account ready to access tickets for your favorite events. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.